Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short car buying tips video shares tips about how to negotiate the best price. While getting behind the wheel of a new or used car can be a lot of fun, few buyers find the process of negotiating the price of a vehicle an enjoyable experience. With some preparation, though, you can get the car you want without getting stressed out or blowing your budget. Here is some information you need to confidently negotiate the best car price. Number 1. Be prepared. Start by finding the perfect car and financing well before you head to the dealership. Number 2. Arm yourself with information. The most powerful negotiating tool you have is knowledge about pricing and the car buying process. Number 3. Get pre-approved for financing. When you have pre-approved financing, the dealer has a benchmark to meet or beat. Number 4. Find the deals. Know what special incentive programs automakers are offering on cars you're considering. Number 5. Head to the dealership. Work with multiple dealers and know what you should do when talking to salespeople and their managers. Number 6. Get your timing right. Some times are better than others to shop for a car. Number 7. Shop at multiple car dealers. Shopping at multiple dealers to find the right price no longer requires you to drive all over town. Number 8. Avoid distractions. Price always comes first. Forget your trade-in and financing, and focus on the price. Number 9. Be prepared to walk away. The greatest power you have is the ability to walk away from a bad deal. These tips will help you walk away from the process with the best deal. I hope these car buying tips have helped you. Please leave your thoughts below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below. Your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.